hello. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know?
Welcome back to Fashion Portal. If it's your first time to tuning in, you are very welcome. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up on your way out. In today's video, we're going to talk about Deck of Scarlet. This is the March-April edition. It's the number 7. I received this product through Octoly. Octoly is a program where you can receive a free product in order to review them for your honest opinion. I will put all Octoly information in the info bar down below. So through this program, I received the Deck of Scarlet, and without further ado, I'm gonna show you everything that I received in this box. I will swatch the product for you, then I will do a makeup look to see how the product work on my skin. Each palette is made in collaboration with a popular YouTuber, and this edition is in collaboration with Roxette Arisa. So if you're not familiar with Deck of Scarlet, it's a subscription that you receive every 2 months. You get a new makeup palette every 2 months. All the product you need for a full face are inside this box. You pay $29.95 every 2 months and you receive a new palette. You can cancel anytime or skip the palette. So $29.95 every 2 months is not too bad for what you're getting in this box. I mean, $29.95 is the price of my concealer, and I think this is worth it. I love the packaging. It's so classy. Look how gorgeous it is.
So hello, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did. For love, yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did
start, I'm gonna put scotch tape.
I'm gonna start by applying bronze. Bronze is a dark golden brown with light shimmer. I'm gonna use it as my transition color. I wish that color was matte. I think it would have been more fun. So I'm applying that first. Here I'm gonna apply a very light concealer to create intensity on the next color that I'm gonna use. I'm using MAC Select Cover Up if you want to know. Here I'm getting to use Bora Bora, which is fun. It's a turquoise color and it's also a light shimmer. So I'm packing the color on the area that I created until I have the intensity that I want. I'm coming back with bronze. I'm applying it on my outer corner and I'm gonna blend. I'm also gonna do the same thing on my inner corner. Here on my brow bone, I'm gonna add a Rockstar, which is the golden highlighter. It's kind of pretty. It has some intensity. I like it. I'm done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara, my eyelashes, and we're gonna try the blush, the highlighter, and the lip color.
I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyeliner on, and we're gonna go ahead and try the blush and the highlighter. I mean, I already put the highlighter up here. I want to see if I can highlight my cheek with it. Why did I put my eyelashes before the eyeliner? I forgot. So I'm gonna do my contouring and then I'm gonna try on the blush and the highlighter. I'm gonna test Love Stick, which is the blush. not bad. I'm gonna try a little bit of the highlighter. Okay, not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and try both lipstick. I want to mix both color. So when it comes to the liner, the lip liner, it does not come out on my skin. I guess this is not for my complexion. Look, it's very light. It doesn't really show. It's too light, so I'm just gonna use my own lip liner, and then I'm gonna try swipe away and smooch. I'm gonna try swipe away. It's very dark, so I'm gonna put this on my outer mouth, and then in the center I'm gonna put smooch, which is the beige color. So let's go. It's kind of dark, that one. It's very creamy. I like it. Now I'm gonna put smooch, which is the beige color, but I'm gonna put it in the center of my lips to create ombre kind of. They're both very creamy. So that's it for today. That's the final look. So I love the two lipstick. Smooch and swipe away are very creamy. I love the highlighter. I love the cheek color, but on the eye color I couldn't only use one. The starry eye is too light. It's just like the lip liner too light, so it's like, it's not, obviously it's not for my skin type. I love Bora Bora, which is the blue color on my eyes. And when it comes to bronze, I wish that it was a matte color. So I end up with one matte color, which is starry eye, and two shimmer color. They are light shimmer, but they still have some shimmer in it. And I wish the bronze one that I use as mid-tone were matte color, but it came out great. I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. If you're passing by, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.